this video started on, I bet you don't have this, because no one have this. No one have this merch of this Clawdeen Wolf item because I made it from scratch. My Clawdeen Wolf is based on this redesign of Clawdeen Wolf from Moonlight Jewel, and I'm going to be a life-size. You remember life-size Barbie? Yeah, I'm going to be a life-size Clawdeen. And I don't like editing. I'm a maker. I'm not an editor. So we're going to do the skeletts because why is this Clawdeen whole personality and everything is in this skelette, and they're not using the skelette. They should use the skelette. They made it. Just do it. By the way, if you hear any tapping in the background, that's my dog, and I'm not editing that out. So how do I insert this skelette? Well, did I say skelette? Well, they already have a skelette in every single box, but it's not personalized. It's the hairbrush. Why don't we do a hairbrush? Now I can maybe set up a camera behind me and you watch me do the doodly do with the pencil and everything. That would be great if I didn't hate editing. You could listen to me complain while doing this. You could just skip through this whole freaking thing if you need to. But I feel like this is important to say. I know I don't need to wear makeup while I'm doing these things, but I feel like I need to do it. And why do you need to see my hands do the scribbly script? Why can't you just watch a screen record? It's me. I promise. The eye parts is my favorite part. It looks so weird. It looks like, I don't know, an alien, but like born from a human. I could tell you what I'm doing here, which is subtracting one object from another object, and I'm coloring black because it leaves the imprint of its own pigment when you do that, when you subtract it from, and then you take it away. So to see that subtraction instead of, oh my god, that is the cutest expression. I wanted to keep this expression so badly. Look at it. Anyway, but when you merge everything, it turns back into this color. So all that talk and you didn't see what I did because maybe lost it. Here's the eyelashes. I wanted to make it thin so bad, but if I 3D printed, you won't be able to see it. So I had to make it very thick and pointy. The thing with 3D, yes, I used to be an illustrator. Gotta say that over. I used to be an illustrator, so doing this in 2D would have been no problem. But knowing I had to see it in all angles, it's so exhausting and weird. This is exhaustion that I like. This is the exhaustion I will take. Oh, and sorry for not showing you the tufted up hair. Look, I did the same Tubi thing, and then I just swooped it, dooped it, and then put them together, and then put it on top of the head, and then blended them together. It's my favorite thing to do. I love playing with clay. I grew up playing with clay and coloring books, which is why I was an illustrator, and now I am a 3D designer. My favorite thing to do. Now I could print the stuff that I had in my head this whole time. I decided to separate the handle from the head. I don't know why. Oh, to fit the printer. I also decided to put her name in the official font. It was not the official. I forgot the name of it. It's a font. Let's see if I can see the name of it. No, I can't. All right, so we're transferring the head first, to the 3D printer. Very toxic. Had it in my second room. It's downstairs now. Oh, we're about to get to the part where we do the ASMR. I'm gonna be quiet. Just listen. Just listen. Did you enjoy that? Should I do that more because I 3D print a lot? And pop! Black. Oh, it looks so good here. I did make mistakes. I am not doing. Hold on. What am I not doing? I couldn't get the words. What am I not doing? I am not doing. Shit. What am I not doing? What the frick am I not doing again? Damn it. What was it? Resin pours. I decided I wanted to do a resin pour over this. Yeah? Bad mistake. Too many complex shapes. Resin pour is good for like cylinders and stuff and circles. This had drips on the back and everything. This is not the resin pour yet. This is just a spray. There's other things. Oh. Can you tell me what I was singing here? Here's another hint. Anyway, I'm not resin pouring again. We're finished. Let me show you it. Let me show you the rest. All right, I got it on landscape. This is it. I love it. It's been through a lot. It went traveling with me. And it's still here. The gold is still very shiny. The eyes is still very shiny. I was experimenting. I could hang it up, which is nice. So I don't have it on the table. I could just hang it on the wall. But everywhere I touched, I get this feeling. The handle dulled out. I have it. You don't. And I'm not making this again because it's not mine. It's not my product. Though, customs. Nice tappy tap. This was fun. I can't get the catch for you to see it as orange. Oh well. One day. Mwah.